Look who's here! I am Ollie the owl! Yay!
Hey everyone! In today's video, we will be guessing the farm animals. Let's see how many farm animals can you recognize. So let's start guessing them.
What is it? Who is there? Is it a bunny? No. Is it a rat? No. Oh, that's a cat. Meow. What is it? What is it? Is it a duck? No. Or is it a velociraptor? No, 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 no. Come on, that's a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. What is it? What could it be? Is that a cat? No. Sing along. Just say meow, meow. Oh, that's a cow. What is it? Oh, what's that? Is that a lion? No. Or is that a frog? No, that's a dog. Woof, woof. What is it? Let's see who's there. Is that a bear? No. Come on, let's go and peep. Oh, that's a sheep. Baa, baa. What is it? Who can it be? Is it a hen? No. A hen says cluck, cluck, cluck. No, that's a duck. Quack, 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 quack. What is it? Let's come and see. Is it a camel? No. Come with me. Let's push it with a force. Oh, that's a horse. Neigh, neigh. What is it? What is it? Is it an elephant? No. Or is it a goat? Yay! You're right. That's a goat. Meh, meh.
Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. It's KNM HS. See you all. Bye bye.